Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'll be showing to you guys why trading is difficult for new traders. So why trading is difficult for beginners. So why is that? It is because that for for something new, that everything is difficult for a person when he's starting it for the first time. So it's not just trading, it's all of the things that are difficult when he's starting to trade, and especially when he doesn't have enough knowledge regarding that work or business or that study that he's trying to start. So everything is for beginners, everything is difficult, especially me as well. This was difficult for me, but now it is easy. I do not care about it, and like I have enough knowledge of how does the stock market work. I'm now comfortable trading in the stock market even when the stock price are decreasing in value, even if the odds are against me. So I I do not say that no, this is I do not make what do you say that excuses that it's the stock market is this or that. Stock market is fun, and it is an a learnable experience. It's enjoyable. When you're trading, and just enjoy the stock market, enjoy the ride in the stock market of how the stock market works. So now let me show you some examples of how trading is difficult for new beginners. Now for the first part, I would say that I've invested in this part May back in the 2nd of February 2021. So in the beginning of this month, and now just take a look at it, 24th of August 2021. So for this long I'm still holding on to this stock. So the stock price decreased in value, came this down. I didn't sell this stock. I've held on to this, and after that, when the stock price just started to increase, I've invested in this part, and now the stock price increases in value. So my profits are running in positive, and now they will still running be in positive. They still are running. They are running in positive and will be running in positive, because I know this stock would increase in value, as this is a strong resistance level. As it breaks this strong resistance level, the stock price would increase further, and it would give me much more profit when the stock, as I'm still holding on to this stock. So this is one stock. This is one thing that so for the beginners, as they saw the declining prices, they would step out of this stock, because I knew that when a stock price decreases in value, it increases again. So I know this thing for sure, that the stock price would increase in value. So far, how far it reached below? It reached to up till 16, 15.8 or 16. So it reached to this lowest, and again it started to rise. So now it is trading for about 19.10. So so the stock is now still trading. So you can see I'm still holding on to this stock. So this is one thing. The second thing is that for the beginners, like I do not myself use this a lot, but this tool, the risk to reward ratio, most of the new traders, they do not use this tool. They just stick to trading. They are trading in the stock market, and they do not use this tool. So if you are not sure about your position, just use this tool and see like what results it will give you on the basis of this, of using the risk to reward ratio. So this was the second thing that they do not use. The third thing is that the stop losses. The new traders, beginners, they do not use stop losses. They just step into the stock market, into the trading, and they trade in the stock market for they trade in the stock market, and they do not care about how the stock market works, or how will it work ahead. So they do not care about this thing, and they just step into the market on the assumption that they are going to make profit out of the stock market. So it's not like you step into the stock market and you generally make profits. Now you can see I've set out my risk to reward ratio right here, and you can see that it confirmed that this is a downtrend, and now it will move in the downward direction. So I knew that this would move further down. So I'm not going to sell the stock. I'm going to hold on to this stock and see what will happen next, what surprises it will give me in the long run. So I'm not going to sell this stock. I'm holding on to this, and I will see what happens next as I'm trading in this stock. So there are plenty of mistakes that the beginners make while they trade in the stock market. So I'm going to step by step explain those to you guys of what mistakes they make when they are trading in the stock market. So those were the three mistakes. The fourth mistake is that they buy shares in a very high lot size, to make sure that when you're buying lots of shares, then buy low low quantity of share, like buy shares in a low lot size. Do not buy them in a high. Do not increase your lot size. Just when you're investing in a certain stocks, just buy the stocks when the stock prices when you're not sure, then buy low amount of shares, like buy 100 shares instead of 1000 shares. Buy uh, buy 200 shares instead of buying 3000 shares or something. Then when you see that the stock is increasing in value, then as the growing prices, invest on its way and see, and you will eventually get profits out of it. So this is how the the new traders, the beginners, make mistakes, and they then at the end say that the stock market is risky, it is gambling. Well, it is not gambling, it's just a lack of knowledge and lack of experience. That's why the new traders lose their money when they are trading in the stock market. So these are the main things that they lose their money, or trading is difficult for them. It is because of these things and not anything else. So, and that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market or the forex market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.